Hi everyone, welcome on our second demo on the Hedera Guardian AI Toolkit. And today's topic is building, setup, and installation of the Hedera Guardian AI Toolkit services on the clean system. I'm gonna follow some of the sections of the user guide and show how to build and run services within Docker and how to smoke test that they are working. Okay, so first we have to check that we have all the prerequisites set up. In our case, we should have Docker Desktop installed. I have one, so it's clean, no containers running, no images, no volumes, no builds, so it's clean and fresh. I have already installed a Node.js and I have Claude Desktop installed as well. Yeah. This step I have already done, so we basically already within the Hedera Guardian AI Toolkit repository folder with all the components. And now I'm going to open terminal. This step suggests to use Docker Compose up command, which is a shortcut that will pull the Quadrant image from the Docker Hub and also will trigger the build of our MCP server service behind the scenes. As soon as those images built and pulled and cached locally, they will be used to run services. So running this command again, we'll use just these cached images. But today I'm going to show you more explicit commands for building and running services one by one for clarity. And let us start with the Quadrant. So the command will be docker compose up. Slide. So basically now it's pulling the image of Quadrant version 1.16, and then this image will be cached and we will be able to see it in a Docker desktop in UI. So the image pulled and ready, we can check it. Yeah, image was downloaded and cached, and we have the Quadrant container running. We can open and have a look at the logs and so on. And additionally, we can use this URL to verify that it's actually working. So basically, this is the web UI of the Quadrant service. We don't have any collections yet, but this proves that service is running and working. Okay, our next service is the MCP server. Let's first build with that command. As you can see from the logs, it's downloading all the dependencies and builds everything into the image that then will be cached locally. Okay, it's almost done. So it's publishing the image. Okay, so image was built successfully and we can have a look that it is available but not running yet. Yeah, and its size 1 GB. Okay, let's start and have a look. Container should be created now and we can have a look on the logs. On the first run, it will download and cache the embedding model. Its size 2.3 gigabytes, so it will take some time. But as soon as it is cached, it will be reused on the further runs without downloading Yeah, unfortunately, it doesn't log any real progress, so it's just heartbeat logging that shows that it's still downloading. Okay, it is done. So the MCP server started, and we can now check the status of those containers as user guide suggests. Okay, so both containers running and their status healthy. So you should see the same here in the UI. Okay, and now we are ready for our first smoke test. Now we can connect the MCP server to Claude Desktop and try to ask Claude if it can see and access our MCP server and tools. In the Claude Desktop, we should go to the settings and developer section and click edit config. And here in the MCP server sections, we have to add our MCP server. Let's copy this over from user guide. Okay, here it is. Section needs to be copied here. Okay, now we should save this file, and important note, we have to completely restart the Claude Desktop. And start it again. So now here in the settings, in connectors, we should see our server, MCP server, and we can go there. So it can discover all the tools that we have, tools for the schema properties search, schema properties index, status check, and methodology document, tools for the index status check, and document search, and the rest of the tools for the schema builder to create schemas and modify schemas and so on. So now we can start the chat and ask. Yeah, so it seems that it has discovered all the tools, so it understands what the capability they provide and when to use them. And additionally, we can ask it can see any documents. So since we don't have any documents yet, we should just call our tools and respond that there is no documents. Yeah, so basically it could connect to our MCP server to perform semantic search, called the semantic search tool. And this tool connected to Quadrant and checked that there is no any documents loaded yet. And from these logs, we can see that it actually called our tools, and there was a response from the MCP server with status not found. So no documents were found in that collection. So basically the connection works, MCP server works. and it can be connected and used in Claude Desktop. Then I'm gonna show you how to build another services. For example, document ingestion worker service. One important note, there is option to build with cleaning all the cached layers of the images. This option sometimes useful, for example, when you put a new source code and you have already some images cached locally, sometimes you have to rebuild. So you always need to rebuild to get the latest changes from the source code and have a new images built with that changes. But sometimes you have to, in case of any issues that the latest changes didn't apply or something else, you have to rebuild everything with this no cache option. This will clean up all the cached layers of the images and build images from scratch. We don't need it right now because we don't have anything cached yet. So basically that's built our document ingestion worker. Build of the document ingestion worker image takes much longer because it has many ML dependencies which are heavy and which are required for document processing and extraction of the information on the documents. Okay, we are nearly done. It has been built successfully and we can check that it is available. Yep. And size already much larger than MCP Server. And at a smoke test, we can now run this document ingestion without any documents, just to make sure that service is working. So here in the containers, we can see that, okay, actually it's worked out and closed because there was no any documents, but yeah, it reported logs that it was started and we didn't create a folder with where the documents should be placed. So we can check it. Okay, it is there, but there is no documents. So server started, didn't find any documents and stopped. So as soon as we have documents here, it will discover all the documents and will start the ingestion process. And this will be a topic for our next demo session where I will show the ingestion process, explain what's happening there, and then we will be able to verify the semantic search from the Claude Desktop works and can find data from the documents. Yeah, that's what was all from my side. Thanks for watching and see you on the next demo.